Hello everyone, it's Towheed here. In today's review video, I'm going to review Apple Watch Ultra Replica H11 Ultra Plus Upgraded Smartwatch. I bought this one from AliExpress. I already make the unboxing video of this on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen that one, I will leave a link in description. So this is the latest version of H11 series. So before we proceed to further video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for the future upcoming video. So first of all, let me tell you what was in the box. So inside the box is come with the Ocean silicone strap, some paperwork, user manual, wireless charging, of course, H11 Ultra Plus upgraded smartwatch, and it's also come with the silicone case and the tempered glass, which I already applied on the watch in my last video. This silicone leather strap comes separately with the package along with the case and the tempered glass. So this watch use HK8 CPU and Bluetooth version 5.2. The smartwatch claimed to be a waterproof rating IP68. I've been using this watch wearing washing hand and did not feel any difference in there, but I do not trust on these ratings because this is a cheap clone watch. This watch have 1 GB of memory and 256 MB of RAM. You can store some of your music inside the watch, and you can use all the different watch faces and store inside the watch. So this watch does have the GPS antenna design. All the holes are open in there and just look real, just like Apple Watch Ultra. So this watch have a 2.0 inch of display. It's have a 425 by 485 resolution. On the right side we have the crown key, which you can scroll to change the watch faces and toggle the animations in there. You can click to the menu or click back to the watch faces, and we also have a side key which we can able to press to access to the app history in there. We also have a microphone hole in there. On the left we have a action key and the speaker holes. On the back we have a real screw, wireless charging, health sensor. We can also see the proximity sensor. We also have the separate temperature sensor in there. So let's talk about the watch faces. Watch faces are also themes on this watch. You can change the color of the watch faces by tapping on that, just like that. This watch also have a face watch lock option. You can just press like that and you can see the lock option in there. You can lock on this one, so you cannot able to move while you are moving the crown key, or you can press back again and unlock that one, and now you can able to toggle through the different watch faces in there, and going back in there and just lock that one, and you cannot able to change anymore. And the compass mode also work on some of the watch faces. For example, in this red one it is working. There's a few of the compass mode in there. Let me show you that one of this, and if you press the three lines in there, you will see one of the other compass mode in there. So the watch faces on this watch are also interactive. You can open up the application shows on a watch faces, just like that. Just click on that, it will go there, just like that. Alarm clock. You can access to all the applications in there. You can see the red dot on the top. This means there's a notifications in there. If you pull the downward, you will see all the notification in there. If you swipe right to the left, you can go to the some of the apps in there which is being added in there. You can add more just pressing on the plus button. If you swap right to left, you will go to the quick access menu, and if you press down to the upward, you will see the control center here. You can adjust the brightness. The brightness on the screen is quite bright. You can see in a bright daylight even on the lowest. And there's also battery option. You can click on that one, You can see the battery is 74% in there. You can also press start button in there. For the low battery mode, I will go to the low battery mode and it will consume less battery. There's also Bluetooth in there. There's a 12-hour option in this watch. This is not a 24-hour. This one also have a torch screen in there, and you can edit this screen. You can edit different apps in there. For example, you can have a lock screen, you have a microphone in there, and there's a two apps menu in there. One is a honeycomb, just like Apple Watch Ultra, and one of this one, just like that. And the screen is so smooth and quite bright and super responsive. And this one is a honeycomb one. So if you go all the way up, it will open up the application right in the middle. And this watch also have always on display. You can adjust to the 10-second, 30-second, 60-second are always on display. This is on a 10-second. So after 10-second, the watch display will be turned off. So it's go dim and it's turned off. But if you go to the option and do the always on display, it will stay on until the battery dies. So this is a quite handy feature. And let me show you one more thing. Setting, you will see some of the extra option in this one. So there's a dial setting in here, and you can access to the same menu as a lock screen. And go to the journal, you can do the date format in here. So this one is two different one, month or days a month. And then if you go back, time format, there's a AM and PM, or there's a 24-hour one, as I mentioned earlier on. So there's also a watch have a bedside clock alarm. When you are put that on a charging, it will be bright red numbers in there, so you can able to see. And this is some of the information in there. It says hello watch firmware version 2.01.02. so there's a barcode in there. And there's also shutdown option, restart, factory restore. If you go back, there's a vibration intensity. You can do the weak, close, or strong. So I put on a weak. Do not disturb option, if you put that on, this they will give you the timing. And you will also see the one small moons icon in there. So it's mean the do not disturb mode is on. So if you want to turn that off, you have to go back to the setting in there and turn this off. Another thing in there, media tunes, this one is on. You can put the password in there. There's so many different languages available in there in this watch. H11 Ultra Pro Max Upgraded version. So I select the English in there. SOS, screen of clock. So this is screen of clock warning, extreme power consumption battery. So its mean is, for example, I put the numbers 1 in there. So this watch have always on display, just like a Apple Watch Ultra. So I put that on 10-second. So the screen will be dim and go to the always on display. So this is a always on display with the digital numbers in there, but we can test it out the pointer one as well. So this is a pointer one. Because this is not the almond screen, this is just a normal IPS screen. So this one is not really bright on always on display, and this one consume a lot of battery in there. But without always on display on option, the battery timing on this one is really great. One more thing, let me show you this app. If you would like to test it out, the heart rate sensor, you have to wear the watch before this one proceed further. So it means this one have a real heart rate sensor in there, and it will give you most of the accurate reading, just like a Apple Watch Ultra. This one says 81. This is the most accurate reading in here, just like Apple Watch Ultra. Let's go back, test it out. One more sensor in there. This one is a temperature sensor. This watch have a real temperature sensor in the box, so it will measure the temperature as well. So this one is says 36 high and 32.5 is low. This watch used on a phone is called QI Fit app. So this is a watch interference in there. This is the main health page in there. It will show you the heart rate and sport record, sleep monitoring in there. On the device you go call notification, which is on, and notification, smart reminder, quick contact. You can store 500 contacts inside your watch, and there's a quick contacts option in there. You can store 500 in there. And also local music, you can add a music and you can transfer the music to your watch, and you can save the music inside the watch. There's ebooks, you can add the ebooks and you can read that on your watch. Recording option, this watch also have a recording option inside, so you can able to record a recording in audio recording inside the watch as well. And there's also option inside the watch. If you go to the watch menu, there's a couple of games in there as well. For example, plane game in there, and then if you go, there's a hamster game in there. So there's also sound recording option inside in here. You can record. There's a find the device option. If you press on the phone, it will vibrate in there, and the vibrate is quite strong. And also you can take a pictures in there. You can use your watch to take a photo with your phone, just like that. And then you have a weather format. You can do the Fahrenheit or centigrade. There's a unit system in there. You can select whatever you like in there. Time format, I selected 12-hour, but you can do the 24-hour one as well. And you can add your own detail. You can restart or reset the watch by using your phone. On the dial option, there's so many different watch faces added every day in there. So there's most popular in there, which is including the digital one and analog all mixed in there. And then there's a newest one in there, and then there's a cool machines one in there. There's a business one in there, and there's also multifunctionals. You can see there's a lots of watch faces in there. This is quite bright one. Let's So this one transferring fast in there, installing. There you go. This is transferred to the watch, and it's look really nice and cool with the pointer in there. So you can customize in this menu. You can put your own picture. You can do the pointer dial, or you can do the digital one. You can change the colors in there of. And this on the me option, these all the watch faces are already installed in the watch. You can delete some of them, and you can use the different one in there, and you only the one watch faces. This one you cannot delete. This is the stock one, is already been uh, fixed inside the watch. So guys, I hope you like my review video of H11 Ultra Plus Upgraded version. This is the best Apple Watch replica so far. There's so many options in this watch. The heart rate monitor, all the sensor working perfectly fine, and it is genuine. And along with the temperature sensor, this one have a always on display. This one have a 1 GB memory. You can store your music in there, and you can store 500 contacts inside the watch. And this is a quite handy feature. And this watch also IP68 rating, so you can wear while you are doing a shower or swimming or washing your hand. And this is the watch is closest look to the Apple Watch Ultra, and just look like original Apple Watch Ultra with the GPS antenna design. smooth crown key, and exactly the same size of the speaker grill and the action button on this watch. So I hope you like my this reviewing video. If you found this video useful to you, please leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be comparing all three other watches, the D8, HK8 Pro Max, and H11 in one video, and I will show you the differences in all three watches in the same video. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the further video notification, and I will see you in next one. Thanks for watching.